Oh, damn. Hey, look. There's a bottle right there. I'm gonna check it out, bro.
Go ahead, bro.
Maybe something valuable in that pocket right there. There's some money right here, bro.
I see, bro.
But we really don't have any use for money anyway. Damn. Think, man.
What is that, bro?
Some ramp.
Bro, maybe you could use that money to pay the chopper to bring us to Black River to see our family, bro.
Yeah, you're funny, bro. This place is abandoned, bro. Where's everyone, though?
I don't know, bro.
Hello, is anyone here?
I'm so tired, bro.
We're gonna rest here for the night. What it's closed to.
Hello?
Everywhere is closed, bro.
Who are you people?
What?
You're infected.
No, we are not infected.
I don't want you at my place. You need to leave right now.
No.
Stay away. Leave. Leave my premises right now.
You're not infected.
I said you guys must leave my premises